What are greenhouse gases? Recently, the attention for climate change has increased, and more specifically, the contribution from certain land use changes to climate change. It has become apparent that land use changes have directly affected the exchange of greenhouse gas emissions in our atmosphere. Industries such as electricity production, agriculture, transportation, and the production of goods create GHG emissions. The palm oil industry is no exception. GHG emissions and sequestration are seen in various stages of the production process. One key example of this within the palm oil industry is the loss of peatlands. Peatlands are wet ecosystems that store on average 10 times more carbon than other ecosystems. When these lands are cleared, burned, or drained, usually to make room for new development, the carbon gets released into the atmosphere. This also includes, but is not limited to, emissions due to the use of fossil fuels, the use of fertilizers, and emissions from palm oil mill effluent. Palm oil mill effluent commonly refers to the wastewater leaving the mill, with a high concentration of biodegradable organic material. This means that it must be treated before it is released to natural water bodies. The common treatments are usually through an open pond or lagoon treatment system and result in the production of biogas. A large part of this biogas is methane, which absorbs heat very effectively and is a major contributor to the greenhouse effect. The RSPO certified growers and millers are committed towards identifying significant emissions and implementing plans to minimize or reduce them. For example, the biogas capture and decanter system has significant potential for the reduction of methane emissions. Among the progressive initiatives seen in the palm oil mills today is the use of biogas capture facilities to eliminate methane gas being released into the atmosphere. Biogas is also used to generate electric power, limiting the use of fossil fuels in mills. GHG emissions can be managed and reduced by everyone, individually and commercially. And in the next few videos, we will look at why it is important to manage GHG emissions and how this is achieved.